Booyah. What the heck is this? I don't even know what this is. Plus program on Twitch? I don't know. I don't know what it means. Apparently I might have turned it on accident.
Do what?
Okay, anyways. Hello! We're live. Welcome to the stream, everybody. If anybody's here yet. I made a thumbnail. We're gonna see if it, like, works. Like, it, refreshes it. Because with the restream stuff, I don't know. If I can find the thumbnail, that would be useful. Okay, I guess that's... There we go. Alright. We're gonna see if that thumbnail works. Hopefully it does. That'd be awesome. Game title, Geometry Dash. I hate having to do this every time, but it's probably worth it. I don't actually know. I have to ask a streamer about that, to be honest. But, it's frozen. Don't know what's going on. Luke71, what's up, bro? Oh, there we go. Change is saved. So now the YouTube stream should have a custom thumbnail now. If it doesn't, like, refresh it. Which it hopefully shouldn't. So that's, like, awesome. Heck yeah. What's up, bro? We got a thumbnail. Alright, let me just advertise the stream real quick, and then we're gonna get started. Luke, I forgot to answer your question. Bro, see, you should do what I did for 50k stars. It's a video on my channel. Really, really stupid, though, so... I don't know. I don't know, Luke. Do what you want, bro. Depends on what level you want to beat. I mean, if you're trying to beat, like, an extreme demon, then heck yeah, do it on stream. I forgot to notify the server yesterday. Whoopsies. Alright, I need like a bot that does that. I don't think that'd be much faster though, to be honest. Probably wouldn't be. Yo, we got viewers. Tixazin, Finbob, Obelisk, Rainy. What is up, everybody? Welcome to the stream. Haven't seen the level since the first stream. Wonder what it will look like. I will show you. Booting up GD right now. Pine. Hello, everybody. I got 74 on my first medium. Nice, dude. Nice. Alright. Oh, we got a message. I like your levels. And it's a level request. But shout out. Yo, Sherb. Welcome, welcome. What do we got? Oh, we got a new... Oh, I need to beat the last week's daily. Oh, I may be last. I'm a little behind on everything, as you can see. Whoops. I guess let's do this daily real quick. Motivation, bro. I feel like you're asking the wrong guy. My motivation is. My motivation is stream it and use that as an excuse. Bro, trust me, I have like non-stream levels that are like so dead, it's just not even funny. It's like hecka loud, bro. My dream is to beat Bloodbath. That's very doable, bro. I believe in you. Yo, am I tripping or does like every level with a Good Kid song look exactly like this? With like no difference. No hate to the creator, though. No hate to the creator. Just, like, they all look like this. Wabu door. You know what? That background is nice, though. I like that. I love those power lines. Sick. Damn, he's better than the event. Dude, is the event still the good kid level? I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. I might like this one more than that, but I'm not here to judge or anything. Alright, there we go. Yeah, let's just run it, bro. Ignore those, like, little blocks there still. But yeah, this is what we got yesterday. Boom. That's what we got. And then, you know, we have layout still. Boom. Everything has the effect on it still. It's funny. Bum 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 bum. Oops, that's hard. Oh, I didn't put a checkpoint. Bum bum. Can't tell what style this is. Yeah, it's really just my own thing. Oops. Boom. So we got, hope you had a nice day today. I have. Thank you, Vexy Boy. I hope you've had a nice day as well. Gearfy, Piggy Roblox, welcome to the stream, everybody. I think you should have lights to the side of the screen, make them what color you want. Yeah, well, this one's gonna be blue, I'll tell you that. But, anyways, this part's mostly done. I just need to add a little bit more to it, and then we're gonna get started on the second part today. Astral Divinity, yep, that is the inspiration for it. So. How's it low? Yeah, it's going good. Today I cooked making an asymmetrical duel, bro. I love asymmetrical duels. Yeah, I did. I am basing it kind of off, like, Special Week. So, first of all, these guys. Do I have more stuff on layer 2? I do. Okay. Get these off of layer 2. Put them on 3. Never mind. Put them on 4. Okay. That's fine. So, we're just going to be placing these around. How long is the level? It's 1 minute and 1 second long. But that was the whole layout that I just showed you. So, pretty much saw what there is to see. We're going to turn off preview shaders. And I'm going to turn off preview mode so I can see these lines better. We're just going to place a bunch of this stuff around. Pretty much. And, it's going to be lit. So, I guess like that. Boom. All right. Yeah, I know it's not like a super long level, but trust me, it's for the better that it's not, because I have a track record with starting levels that I want to be super long and not finishing them. So that's just, you know, gotta do with what we can do. So yeah, we're just gonna be placing around a bunch of these right now. I'm here for day 4. What's up, Jack's Attack? I remember you. Welcome back. Welcome back to the stream. Nice to see you again. Just gonna, I guess, do that. And this is probably fine for that. That's a good little spot. Huh? Right there. Oh, no, it's not, actually. That's fine. I could do this. Let's have them in here, too. These guys are just gonna kind of be everywhere. This is something that it's basically what I do. If you saw my Cycles X part that I made, this is basically what I'm doing. I'm kind of just doing the same thing right now. Oh yeah, they are Rainy. They are gonna be. Don't you worry. Don't you worry. Oh, I rotated that. Whoopsies. You better be rated. Oh snap. Alright. Where do I put... I don't know. No, that looks kind of weird. Yo, unban me? Well, you're clearly not banned, so... I don't know what to tell you, bro. We're gonna just keep posting a bunch of these. Greetings, yo, Fauna. Welcome. Welcome to the stream. All right, let's give these a group real quick. What is 4 and 8? What is 18? Lord Fauna is here. Yo, Flake, what's up? What is 8? Does anything else have 18? This does. Oh, never mind. I remember. It's just everything. Because of the one thing. Every grief space 4. Wow. That's a name, bro. Alright, let's get this 19. Shit, add lights to the side of the screen. Make them what color you want. Yeah, I saw that before. I mean, I might do that. I might do something like that. A crappy raid, bro. It's not a crappy raid, bro. I appreciate you. I appreciate it either way. Seriously. I wish it, like, notified for YouTube raids, but that's how it is. Soul GD. Welcome to the stream. What was I doing? I low-key lost my train of thought for a second. Alright, we're good. Yo, Lazaga, let's go. Good timing. I mean, bro, I'm just streaming at the time I normally do, low-key. Venus, what's up, dude? Alright, let's give this an area fade. That's what I always do with these blocks. I'm gonna do, like, I don't know, 70, 19, just like that, on center. Might change it to player, so it should look like, I didn't set it up. I just placed it down. Okay. Like that. There we go. So they'll appear. Not at full opacity though. Do like 0.70 maybe. Can you rate my icons? Probably not right now, but maybe another time. Oh, that's pretty lit. Dude, honestly, I could probably just... I might actually be able to just keep it at full opacity, because they don't really ever appear full. Do they? I mean, like a little bit, but I can make it probably like... I'll make it 0.80. Yes, it is the radio blur shader you are seeing. Kind of a chud move, but... it like kind of works. It's not going to be my main background. I am going to add a additional background onto this part. Bum 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 bum. Is there any jumps that I should buff in this part? Let's see. Because I do want to make sure that this is Extreme Demon. Yeah, this jump. I was told to buff this one. I don't really know how I'm gonna buff it, but... like, you know. That's probably evil, right? Like, low-key, this is too mean, probably. Probably like super duper mean. Can you add area triggers? Oh, I got area triggers already. Don't make beginning dummy hard. I'm not trying to make it dummy hard. I'm just I was asked to make it a little bit harder. That's like going to be impossible though. So I think I just take this structure and do that. There we go. Just like a little buff to it. I think that might be the only click that I buffed though. Visible platform barely sticking out. No. I'm not a fan of doing stuff like that. Buff that a little bit. And this is already hard enough. More area triggers. There will be more area triggers in the level, trust me. Trust me. This is me we're talking about here. Yeah, okay, just like a little buff. Nothing too major. This, I was gonna just make it a little bit harder, just a little bit. Guys, there will be more area triggers to come, trust me. Trust me. Believe it! The level get harder as it goes on. I mean, kinda, yeah, I guess. I'm trying to make it balanced, though. I want a nice and balanced level. I suck. Haven't seen the full layout. You can go back to the VOD and watch the beginning of the stream, somewhere near that. I played the full layout. Bum, 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 bum. Dang, I suck. I'll probably make that small again, because now that sucks. Alright, noted! Gonna make that spike small again, because I made it annoying. There we go! Back to being tiny. I jump a little easier now. I might beat this when it's done a second or third extreme. Awesome, dude! Sounds awesome. I appreciate that. Alright, let's keep adding these blocks. These blocks. Yeah, let's do that. At this point, this is just like it's another thing where this is just kind of time consuming more than anything. It's not really difficult per se. Yeah. I'll have one here. Buff the spider timings. I just did, bro. Like, I just did. I've already... I guess I could buff this one. I didn't think about that. Yeah, let me do that. Buff that into spider. Yeah, I don't know why I didn't think about that at all. There we go. Little buff. Might be like obnoxiously hard though. Make it a little tinier. I'll do that. Alright, there we go. The end of the spider is buffed. Alright, I think this is like a good difficulty now. Wait, can you buffer click this? I want to make sure that you can't. Oh, you can. Knobble wave. Yep. No, it doesn't really sync though. Oh no. Oh no. It's probably good. Just make a yellow and green orb things. Yeah, same cluster. It is, well, at least it was very much snowing a little bit ago. Alright, let's keep adding these things. Oh no, I'm not going to change this is going to be a blue level. I'm already set on that because I want to make a RGB series. So, not going to be really changing the color, fortunately. I could connect these. That'd be cool. No. Let's do that. There we go. We've got these connected. Add air deco. What do you think I'm doing, bro? What do you think this is? We're working on it. That's a little off now because of how I buffed it. Oh, you know what? It was 23. That's what it was. Blue City or Blue Matrix. Oh, there's some good ideas. Those are some good ideas. I'll keep those in mind. I will keep them in mind. For sure. I think the only thing I'm like kind of set on is that I want it to start with... No, even then I'm not really set on that, but I'm pretty sure I want it to start by saying blue. This is not air deco. Bro, it very much is. I tend to keep my air deco, quote unquote, pretty minimalist though. It's just a stylistic choice. Do that, I suppose. Could have something like this. Sure, why not? Okay. Actually, this would look better like this. Yeah, that looks better. But now this is kind of awkward. Blue Paradox. Yeah, that's pretty good too. You guys are cooking. You guys are cooking. Facts. For real. Definitely get these to connect to the top and bottom. Like that. Oh, we need music, guys, don't we? Yeah. That's what I'm missing that I had yesterday. I'm like, something's off. But I've realized it now. Yo, guy, I know you want arrows, bro, but I don't really want arrows. Not really feeling arrows, you know? If I'm feeling it, then I'm feeling it. I'm just not feeling that. Boom. Cool. There we go. We got whatever's going on here. Awesome. We need the music. Breath indicators when it tells you to breathe. Yo, Tommy OB, welcome to the stream. Jump in cars. No. No. Also, is the stream stuff? Yeah, it does. I made a thumbnail for my streams on YouTube finally. I don't know if you guys noticed that, but if you go to my channel and go to the live, you will be able to see it. I'm thinking some Super Mario 3D World music, 'cause that's what I've been playing recently. What's that? Super Mario 3D World music. Yeah. Get like a mix music collection. 3D World plus Bowser's Fury. A little mix. All right. Double it and give it to the next person was redeemed, by the way. I'm just noticing that. So over on Twitch. So I'm gonna have to edit that real quick. If I go to here, custom rewards, double it, give it to the next person, change that to 8. Boom. Stream manager. And we're back. Alright. Clock OST. Do you have any good song ideas for a level? I've got plenty, but I don't know what you like. Yeah, Gold Prime. Dude, I made it in like 5 minutes, but it at least looks better. It's like more appealing. I don't know. Do some Mario OST because some songs are fire. Dude, facts. I'm gonna do this one right now though, but Odyssey OST another time. Minimalistic stream demon. Yeah, I mean not quite minimalist, but not like completely minimalist, but yeah, it's similar. This might look like a disaster, I feel like. I guess we just run it and see, right? Won't hurt. Yeah, let's just see. Where my death sound? Okay, there it is. Let's get some no clip going. Ha! I'm dead. Oh. I was like not even paying attention to the blocks I added. Bum bum ba da bum. Bro, I love this song so much. Hello, my name is Mustard. Mustard! Nah, I'm not interested in buying your mustard, bro. I'm good. These blocks are pretty chill. They add a decent amount. Something I forgot to do. He isn't Velt. Help me! Shout out to Velt, man. Absolute legend. What song is good? Sorry, I couldn't hear. It's just a menu song from Mario 3D World. I don't want to listen to this. Is the intro cutscene music. I don't like. What is this? It's a weird collection of music right here. Okay, there we go. Yeah. Got ahead there. I don't know what. I don't know. Sometimes these music collections are weird. Okay, where are these? I think they're in this section. Yeah. Gotta add these onto these spikes. There we go. Put them on these ones too. Alright, perfect. Now we've got this. My name is Hanami. How's it hanging? Oh my god. I don't know why I decided to hang them from my ceiling fan. Mafe facts. You get 2 days off because of St. Patrick's Day? Why the heck do you get St. Patrick's Day off of school? Is that normal? Did you get St. Patrick's Day off of school?
No.
This person's saying they got St. Patrick's Day off for school.
But I got it off for work.
You got it off for work?
I don't have to work tomorrow. They must have heard me saying I have Irish blood in me. Okay.
Whatever. Whatever, bro. Y'all just getting anything off.
Well, I do not get MLK Day off though.
In Ireland, I got school off for 2 days. Okay, well, if you're in Ireland, I guess maybe that makes sense. Pinto, what's up? Welcome to the stream. Glad to see you here. Bro, this song. Mario 3D World might not be my favorite Mario game, but the OST is fire. You know what I need? This. Orbideco. Bum bum ba-dum. Bum 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 ba-dum. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yep. Bum bum. Bum bum bum. Alright. So there was a specific effect I wanted to do with these. So I gotta give all these their own groups. This is gonna be 20. This is gonna be 21. This is gonna be 22. This is gonna be 23. Which one is better, dude? That's such a hard question. I mean, 2 has, like, the gameplay. But, you know, 1 is the atmosphere. So, they're both amazing. Love them both. I've played them so many times. Most played, like, story game, for sure. My favorite childhood game. Super hyped for the movie, dude. 20. Okay, so they're gonna, like, move into place. Elastic out. Yeah, let's do like 30. Like 1.5 or something. Sure. Wait, let's see what this looks like. Let's put my start position right at the start of the ship. Or the... This is not a ship. What kind of ship is this? Oh, this is a spider. Okay, turn on no damage, bro. Oh, yeah, that's not... Okay, elastic out is not going to work for this. Let's try... No, exponential out's not going to either, I don't think. Not really, no. Let's try sign out. Let's see. Yeah, I grew up with both, but I played probably more, I played more 2. Okay, sign out, like, kind of works. Ease out is going to look absolutely terrible, because ease out, yeah, it just stops it. No. Okay. Maybe I just want it to be on a smaller move range. Let's try that. I don't... Hold on. Because it looks bad coming in, but it's going to be invisible coming in. So if we do this, boom, boom. And then, you know, do what I was doing. 20 will appear. This music makes me feel content. That looks stupid though, doesn't it? Let's make it longer. It's kind of a funny mix. I'm not gonna lie. I might switch it. Okay, no, that just looks bad. We gotta do elastic out. Elastic or exponential out. One of the two. Exponential. Wait, no. No. Elastic out. There we go. And I think I just have to make it longer. That's what I gotta do. How hard is this level? Beginner extreme. We got a beginner extreme. Demon. Okay, look, it's unstable. No, I don't want to make it look unstable. Okay, that works. So let's move this up here. And then each one just moves 2. This will all be 21. This will all be 22. This will all be 23. Okay. 21. 21. And this is going to have to start at 30 and go down 30. Then this will all be the same, but it's 22 instead. And then this is all gonna be 23. 23. But this, start 30, go down 30. Okay, there we go. We've got our things. Our thingy things. Woohoo. Yo, Waterbound, what's up? Solo verification, yeah, it's just an easy, it's a beginner extreme. Ba-doo, boop. Okay, getting there. Let's move my start position to here. Boop, 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 ba-doo. That's 1 too low for some reason. Should I make the fade time a little less, maybe? Well, let's go back to 0.70 like it was before. Perfect. Alright, and now after you pass it, it's gonna go back down. So let's try that. Where does it line up? 20. Okay, it lines up there. So do -30 with elastic in. And then have these fading it out. Okay, let's see what that looks like. Interesting, they didn't move. I need to move these sooner then, huh? 5. Oh, let's see what that looks like. This might be terrible. No, I think they just need to move sooner. Alright, let's try that. It's better, a little bit. Let's do 0.75. Silverfish infestation. But I don't know. How do you get a silverfish infestation? Your hardest extreme. My hardest extreme, dude. I'm not listening to cat. Okay, we'll play Mario Odyssey OST. Alright. Mario Odyssey music. Boom. Bum, 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 bada, bum. You might just be good. Wow, that's really fast now. Way too fast. 8.5. Let's try that. No, let's just make it go back to 1. Hello. Okay, that works. I think that works. Yeah, alright. And let's just... boom. So be for 21. And this will be for 23. Didn't put the things along with it. There we go. Perfect. Now I can just copy. Oh, what's happening? My PC's freaking out. Okay. Oh my god. Save my game before something bad happens. Dude, I know, bro. I don't. They need to make a new 3D Mario game already, man. Like, I don't want to sound ungrateful, but like, damn. I was in middle school! Like, I am graduated from college, and Mario Odyssey came out when I was in middle school. That's absurd. Gradient shader is secretly OP. That is true. Alright, what are you guys? I didn't give you a group yet, huh? 24 and 25. Change these to 24. And these to 25. So now we have that. Now what the... Oh my god. I just like straight up deleted the ones before. Oh my god. I'm such an idiot. I am actually an idiot. Whatever. 30 Mario. Super Mario Titans, dude. Well, I need that. I need Super Mario Titans. I need it. This is the first part out of a lot. How you finishing? The trick is go over the time that I gave myself. Now, what the heck is going on here? That's the problem. 24, and 25. There we go. Okay. There we go. Look at that. There we go. I'm gonna change the time on these a little bit. Make it a little bit faster, not by much, and then just like move it a block before. Yeah. That defeats the purpose of this challenge. Yeah. Pretty much. I don't know. This one was kind of not really... I don't know. See, one of my friends is releasing a level by a certain date, and I'm trying to release it around the same date. So that's kind of why I said, like, the whole week thing. But also, I did want to do this in a week, but then I had a lot of complications. Like, some important life stuff happened, and I also lost data on stream. There was bad weather and everything. So, yeah, the challenge got kind of... The challenge got kind of cooked. If you're streaming on 30 plus platforms. Yeah, well, I'm only streaming on 2 platforms. Because you have to pay to do more than that, and I'm not doing that. I'm freeloading. Okay. I think it's just background time, and then I think this part is good to go, to be honest. Could add more of these little guys, though, so let's do that. But these guys don't need 19, though. Let's put some of these, huh? Yeah, I don't know how there's like 30 plus streaming platforms. There's some weird ones, for sure, but still. That's probably good. What is this doing here? Like, hello? Okay, I don't know what that was doing. I don't know how I didn't notice it before. Had a skull? Dude, okay, I don't, just for consistency's sake, I'm just not gonna have these at all, because, like, I only would have 2 of them. That's just weird. Yeah, Facebook Live is one of them. I had a little turtle. That's great. That's great, Jax. Ba-bum. Shoot, I rotated it. I rotated again. I'm the greatest at rotating things for no reason. I missed the glow there. I am such a chud, bro. How do I do that? Are you serious? How'd I do that? Did I miss it on anywhere else? I think that was literally the... It's gotta be the only one. Yeah, it is. LOL! Big planet in the background. Well, I don't want this to be space themed, so... No planet. Bow, 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 bow. Yo, my hands are cold, let me tell you. Let's hide no effects that. Okie dokie. Part is coming together. Yeah, well, I don't care. It's fine. You can deal with it. Alright, let's make a background, guys. Let's make a background. I'm thinking just a particle thing. I don't want to be, like, too crazy with it. Just put on, like, layer 6. Hexagons? So I don't know why hexagons wouldn't really fit, I would think. Let's do this. No, this is just my style, really. Extra start size equals end. Yeah, use object color. Don't uniform object color. Dude, I was thinking that too. I was like, what kind of dye do they use to not damage the water? My hands are so... Dude, it is so cold. My hands are freezing. It's making it hard to build. Okay, we want... What do we want exactly? Not sure. So right now we just have this. Let's do that. Duration. Yeah, I know. I mean, I'm sure it is. I just hadn't heard of that. Let's just put a bunch of particles. Okay, so now we have this. We have one uniform little thing. But what do we want? We want this. About like that and that. That's not what I wanted. Whoops. This and this. I still have the gravity on. And then we'll do random angle. Like a low speed. That works. They're despawning in a weird way, so they need to fade out. So let's do that. Give them that and fade in as well. So now we have this. Very pretty. I want to make them live for longer. Oh yeah, look at that. Particle trigger is your enemy. They can be ops. Sometimes, for sure. Alright, let's see what we got. Let's see what we're working with. Boom. That's pretty. That's pretty. Okay. I like it. Put it on B4. Now what we gotta do... Well, first off, I'm gonna put down a guide trigger so I can see. I can, yeah. Let's put it right here. Okay. So, okay. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna up the emission a lot, but I'm also going to do this so it covers a wider range like that. I don't think you ever really see quite under this. Wow, it looks so terrible now. Is it really just because I scaled it up? Does it really just look that chopped when it's scaled? Or is it always chopped? Was it chopped all along? No, it's just not blending. Just not blending. Never mind, I was tweaking. I was like, why does this look so chopped? It wasn't blending. You blew my mind. I don't know why I didn't. That's just so weird. Okay, so we have this now. 26. And what color? You're going to be 10. Copy color of the object with blending. And then we're going to set up the color thingy. So we have... What is the object color? Let me just... I guess I'll just like recreate it. It's kind of like that. Right? Let's see, it's like this at the start. And it's like that. So it's more like this. Okay. We have 2D blending, make it transparent. What do you mean by transparent? Like less visible? Because, I mean, I will do that. It's just not finished yet. 10. And it'll change around. Go like more blue. On the opposite spectrum, more greenish. Deep blue and deep green. Maybe even a little bit of purple. And then put this all on a spawn loop. Create loop. There we go. So now it's gonna look like this. Pretty neat, pretty nifty. I like it. We're gonna raise the emission a bit once more, I think. Can I raise the max particles? Probably shouldn't, but make them a little start size. Just gonna make it a little bigger. Or we'll do that. Hey, do a boss fight? No, I'm not doing a boss fight. I already have this pretty much planned down. Boss fight is not on the plans. Too bright? Hey, bro, I know. I know. Don't worry. Don't you worry, guys. It's not finished. Yo, Pine, have a good day. So we're going to make it slowly fade in. Very slowly. To like 50 opacity. See? Told you. Now at 26. I just gotta make you move with the player for about, oh no, 5 million seconds, but we'll just do 70. It's like the length of the level. But there. Alright. I'll also give you Don't Fade, Don't Enter, and let's see what this looks like. Ooh. It's interesting. I am Calvin Gaming. Unfortunately, I am. Let's hit them with the 50. Like, I think we need bigger ones. We'll do, like, 50 and 30, so we get, or maybe, like, yeah, I don't know. Just go all out. The atmosphere is good, thank you. Open window, odd level, like, what? Oh, look at that. I'm gonna need to make it less opaque, or more opaque, I guess, would be it. More transparent. But I like this. Okay. What does fade, don't enter do? Don't fade makes it so stuff doesn't lose its opacity as it goes off the screen. Don't enter prevents the usage of these screen effects, these side screen effects. So for example, if you see on the edge of the screen here, the objects will fade, but they'll also start growing. That's because those don't fade, don't enter on. So this is going to have to be like that. Make a video playing your scrapped levels. I don't really have that many that are like permanently scrapped. So I don't know if I could really do that, but I have debated on making a video playing through just my old levels in general, or like a bunch of my layouts and stuff, because I have a lot of that. But like scrapped levels, I don't really have that many of. That's really useful. It is. It is very useful. Is this good? I think this is nice. You got some nice ambiance in the background. Could even appear a little bit quicker, to be honest. Yep. And then hold on, I got a text. Alright. You meant like unfinished stuff. Yeah, I mean I know what you meant. I know what you meant. But yeah, I have a bunch of like interesting old layouts and stuff that never went anywhere that I could definitely do something like that. Good, it's definitely a good idea that I'm interested in doing at some point. Alright. We're gonna have another one that goes in front of the player. It's gonna be a little more scaled down. Like this, probably 30 and 15. And then we're gonna turn down the emission to like 35, then maybe even 20, like 20, something low. And this is gonna go in front of everything. It's gonna be on 33 instead. 33. And then where's my move trigger at? Boom, 33. Alright. Let's see what that looks like. Okay, this is without wait, never mind. Okay, so with it obviously being the same low opacity, you don't really notice it right now. So let's make 33 be like, what if it's like 75? Well, let's just see that. After Sonic Wave doing Cosmic Cyclone? Dude, I don't know. If you're into those levels, then sure, bro. Go for it. I could never. This is chill. gotta lower the opacity back down. 0.50 probably works, because this is 0.25, right? So yeah. Crash trigger. Dude, I actually made a level based around the crash trigger. in 2.1. Back when that was, like, just discovered. 26 and 33 gotta be invisible to start out. Which I think I had one for 26. Yeah, I did. I just didn't make one again for 33. There we go. Lower the omission again, I think. So there's probably too many. I wanted less. Congregation trigger. No. 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 I love congregation. But no. Let's make it a little... Okay, maybe we'll make it a little brighter. But at the same time, I'm gonna lower the emission to 10. Yeah. I like this. I don't know, I think, we might be able to call this part done now, guys. It did, yeah. It never got re-rated either, which is really annoying. This is a good level. It's by John625. Let's turn off this music for a second. Let's play this, because I think this is at a... This is at a good point here. Awesome. Bro, I don't know. I think I'm going to call this part finished. Part 1 done. Let's go. Let me just like really look and think. So first of all, I can do don't fail, don't enter. And I will, what's this, 25. I'm also going to give this 25, so it's like a sneaky. Is that, okay, yeah, there we go. I'll also give you don't fade on. Okay. Blurry city lights, yeah, dude. That's kind of the idea. Man, I suck. Looks kind of funky though. Maybe I don't want this to be on 25. I'm giving this its own thing. 34. 34, you're gonna... There we go. And then put like another thing like way earlier. So it's invisible ahead of time. New thumbnail, yes! Jim. I have a thumbnail finally. For my streams. Also, I just... Oh, it's because I have ignore damage on though. Yeah, that's why. We get it, bro. You're live. Dude, look! I don't know. Do you think I should change it? Because, I don't know. I kind of liked it. No, that's not the one I want. The background looks eerily similar to my old desktop screensaver. Cool. Yeesh! Bless you. Don't change it. I like it. Alright, bet. It is something I cooked up in like 5 minutes though, so I don't have like an extreme amount of connection to it. Thank you guys, thank you. That buff sucks. Like, I hate this buff. It's so forced. Like, it's just gross. So what we're gonna do is move the entire structure more like... Now that should be good. Yes, it's a confirmation. Okay, still dying there. Genius. Should probably shrink the spike back down. Boom! That's the first part done. Let's go! Let's go! Dude. Oh, it's so cold in our house. Man. Alright. W first part finished. So now the question is, now what? Well, I guess to start, I'll make a, like, purple thing here to connect to this pad. It's kind of gonna look weird no matter what I do, though, huh? Hold on. Strat. The strat. We got the strat. And then this can just be blending. So this is our, whoops. Ooh, copy value, paste state, not color though. This is gonna be our little pad thing. There we go. Look at that. I'm not from Earth, I'm from Missouri. Oh, it's midnight for you, so you're going to bed? Yo, good night, Pab. I hope you sleep well. Oh, so that's our little... It's gonna be our little pad design. Maybe I could connect it? I don't know if that'll look better. Yeah, it probably looks better. Although I didn't exactly get 7. 7 and 7. Alright, and then I'll give this all like 35 or something, because it's gonna appear. I don't know what I'm gonna do for this block yet. We gotta come up with a new block design though, I know that. New block design for this part. But I think before I do that, I'm going to... Well, hold on. Area stop. Let's put down area stop. No, wait. No, I'm fine. I don't need to do that just yet. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna buff this part. A level swap with every creator sounds kind of awesome. Trying to think of what I'm gonna do for this part. Bro, I think like a visualizer thing would be cool for this part. Like for the music. I think that would be pretty cool. That might be what I do. Might be what I do, low-key. Well, first of all, let's get a guide trigger again so I know where the heck I'm at and what I need to deal with. Perfect. Let's put you on a different layer. That's like a nightmare dream blunt rotation, bro. Like, what the heck? Okay, I don't know exactly what I'm doing. Spread these out. Yeah, I'm gonna want it to be 4. Maybe a little less, maybe. Let's do 3.5. No, let's do 3. Yeah, let's do... Oh, shoot. Wait. Hold on. I know what to do. There. Fixed it. Fixed it. Okay, so it's gonna be... that. That's what we're working with here. Get it nice and even, Steven here. Steven here. There we go. That's even. All right. Bet. Is this going to be the same level of gaps? No, it's not. Wait. No, it's not. Maybe I just warp it down. Wait, what should I do? Oh, yeah. Like that. Boom. Boom! Alright, this background is bringing the boom. Let's go. Oh, it's gonna be a pain to make though, isn't it? We gotta do it though, we gotta do it. So, how do I make this again? I gotta give this all object color, so it's gonna look like that. That's the wrong object color. There we go. How do you even make a big, good background? That's that sentence. Dude, I don't know. You just kind of throw things at the wall and eventually something works. Okay, so the thing I know what to do is make it all the same each time, but I don't want to do the same each time. So I think I'll do 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'll do 4 different variants of this visualizer thing that they loop on the beat. So let's see. How am I gonna do this? Maybe I'll put like 4 of them like this. Kind of like, now it looks like the Windows logo. But I will custom make like one for each, I suppose. It's all corrupted. It's all glitched. I love that video, dude. So do this. Boom. Go up really high. A little lower. Something like this, barely lower, and then like down there. So this could be like our first one. I will just, I guess, have that up there just in case. I don't know. And then our second one, which, let's just put this on 8. Just have these all on the same thing, make my life easier. This on 9. And this on 10. There we go. Yo, Penguin, welcome back to the stream. Okay, so we have our first one. Like that, and then, oh, actually, I want these to be out of the way just for a second. Wait, I could do this to see. How do I do this in a way where I can, like, see my previous ones? I guess like this. Kinda. This is hard. A subsuming vortex thing? Maybe. I don't know. I don't remember if that does this effect. But I'm definitely trying to figure out a way that I can, like, do this. I'm struggling. So I want to see my previous ones so they don't go in the same way. I want them to be kind of different each time, you know? Do that. This will be low. This one will be nice and high right there. That's pretty good. We'll move that over here. Okay, cool. This one's a lot higher on average. Alright, and then 9. Let's get that. We're gonna have this really high, this a bit lower, and this one also just a tiny bit lower, but then this one super high, decently high again, then this one low, and then it'll just get lower and lower, and this one will be super low. This one will get up there a bit more again, and then that'll be this one. Definitely doing this in like a non... Oh my god. I don't know what way is more efficient to doing this, to be honest. I think I'm doing this in probably the most efficient way, but not sure. Okay, so we're gonna just make this one start off like about down here, and then it's gonna skyrocket up. It's gonna go back down a lot. Then it's gonna be down a lot again. That's the same, so actually I'll make it go back up, and then Boom. Boom again. And we're gonna have this one at the end be like really high. Okay. We got there. This is what our little visualizer thing is gonna be like. This is super entertaining. I'm glad because I like get scared that I'm becoming boring as I'm doing, because this is like so repetitive, you know, what I'm doing right now. So I'm glad to hear that. Okay. Bop, bop, bop. So I just gotta add groups to all these now. Another, yet again, just repetitive task. But this is how building is. It's a lot of repetitive tasks. You know why it's boring? You know why I feel like it's boring? It's because I forgot to bring the music back. That's why. Bruh. Yo, RG. Wowie zowie. Yeah, no, I just was forgetting the music. That's why. We're good. We got the music back. 40. Do 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 do. Dun 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 dun. 41. 42. We're about halfway, I think. 43. 44. This level's basically like Special Week if I had more time. Low key though, I don't even know if it's gonna be better than Special Week. I kind of cooked absurdly with that level. 45. 46. 47. 48. 49. 50. Okay, they're clearly becoming less and less when you get to this height. Lake Kingdom music, facts. Oh, Odyssey music is just so good. It's just so peak. For such a peak game. You know, that's the one thing I feel like Donkey Kong Bonanza missed on. Was its music. There's like a few good songs on it, but a lot of the songs are like kind of forgettable. Which is a shame. Since it's like basically a game by the Odyssey team. I mean, look at them. Okay, 51. We're almost there. I'm going backwards at this point. What am I doing? 52. $53. And I think that's the highest thing we have. It's 53. Okay. Oh, there we go. Without the music in games, they feel hollow. That is very true. They really do. We've got that. Now what we need to do is, this is gonna be on 54, the whole thing. This whole thing gonna be on 55. This whole thing gonna be on 56, and this on 57. Then the entire thing is gonna be on 58. So 58 is how we're gonna move it. Of course, with the player. So let's do that. Player, lock X, camera, and just, I don't know how, we don't need this to last too long. 30 seconds, probably more than what we need, but I'm gonna do it probably starting right about here. And then I'm also just gonna take all these. I feel like I could find a use for these potentially, but I'm gonna have them way off for now. Okay. Move this here. So since this is locked to the camera, and this is the preview of it. So, did I do this right? Yeah. Sorry, let me just absolutely make sure. That's pretty even. What context could this emoji even be used? Yeah, dude, I don't know. YouTube emojis are so weird, dude. I love the nail biting one. It's so funny. Okay. So 54 through 57. Gotta make invisible. 54, 55, 56, and 57, and then it's gonna like switch on each beat. Gotta go. All right. See you later, Flaming Oscar. Thanks for stopping by. So 54 is the first one, so it's gonna come on like this. You gotta do this to the beat. Do I have pulses already? I don't believe I do. Okay, I think we're gonna need to set up pulses first and foremost. Alright, let's set up these pulses. This is how we're gonna do it. We're gonna do Alright, so this last one. Bum, 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 bum. It's gonna be on that beat. Let's see. Wait, I need a visual. I need a visual cue here. What's my background again? It's something. I don't know. 6? Does that work? I need a visual cue, bro. Well, let's change the object to like black or something. Oh, it's because I don't have a fade out. That's why it wasn't doing anything, man. There we go. That's about... That seems about perfect. Now, align X. Boom. So now we have a row. Perfect, and it syncs perfectly. That's the awesome thing about Align X. So now I'm gonna have another one specifically for alpha triggers. Dude, I don't even recognize this song. I might be a week into my Extreme Demon. Yo. Let's go, Waterbound. New Extreme Demon. Look in the direction. Thank you. I'll line those on X. And then here's what we do. We do 54 visible. We do 55. 56. 57. And then we kind of just repeat that. I'm going to make this easier for myself, though, so I'm going to actually undo these. Dude, shut up. No, bro. No. It's 5. Let's do 57 will go off on this. 54 will go off on this. 55 will go off on this. And 56 will go off on this. Boom. There we go. Okay. Now, we just copy this multiple times. Dude, this mysterious song. I don't remember this song in Odyssey. Like, where's this play? Align X. There we go. And I'll do the same thing with these. There's gotta be some, like, Moon Kingdom shenanigans. Alright, line X. There we go. So now, hopefully, look at that. So it's gonna have an up and down animation, but this is just like the base gist of it right now. Never heard this song in Odyssey. Yeah, I know. I swear I haven't either. So let's see. We're at 34 minutes into this. 35. That was the Silver World of Shiveria. Huh. Interesting. If college doesn't work out, I'm gonna do YouTube NPC streams. Or TikTok NPC streams. That's crazy, bro. Good luck on that. So now we have this. Pretty cool. And I am going to take this radial blur and this shader. So during this transition, the radial blur with a fade time of like 1.5 is just gonna go to 0. We're just gonna zero everything out and hope that that kind of cancels it. And then we're gonna put a shader right here. So now we're starting to disable all. We're just starting from scratch there. So if I want to do shader stuff in this part, I have the option to do whatever I want. So now, there we go. Now this is its own like thing. Also, I think it's time we do some gameplay changes to this part, because I was going to change this thing. I should focus on the deca first. But I'm going to buff this a little. What we're going to do is we're going to do this. Like that. Now that's easy. But what if that? What if we do that? That's probably too hard. Probably a little too hard. Hi, Koopzoo. Hello, Maverick. Flip. Yo, I appreciate it. Also, guys, I have met the eligibility for super chats and channel memberships. So I applied for that earlier, but they said it could take a while for them to accept it. If I were to guess, it's going to take 5 days. That's my guess. That one is a fair difficulty already, I think. Bum, 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 bum. Yo, don't XP grind in my chat, bro. It's not that deep. So, this. I'm gonna change this because it's just the same jumps again, and they already weren't like that hard. So if you nail them the first 2 times, you can kind of do them again. Let's paste the state. Yo, thank you, Maverick. Appreciate it. So yeah, we're just gonna scrape this, and well, okay. Well, this is kind of funny. I mean, you could just do this if you're like really pro. Am I pro? Yo, wait, I almost did it. I think that's the best I'm ever gonna get. Okay. Whatever. So, boom, boom, boom. Yeah. So I'm gonna have like... Oh, what if I have... Oh, wait, this could be cool. What if I have, like, these pads also move with you? Can I buy your channel membership? Dude, that'd be awesome. Yeah, I need to come up with benefits, though. Because I want, you know, I want people to at least get something from it. Let's see if we do that. Start a subathon? I don't think I'm quite ready for a subathon. Nah, this is not... I don't know. This is hard to make work, I feel like. Let's see. You know, what if we did a dash orb? That could be funny. Did I paste state on this? Multi-activate. Dash orb could work. An elite buffet. Like what? Yo, is this are we cooking here? Are we cooking here with the dash orb idea? If we just, you know, do this now. I might need to make the dash orb bigger though, but we'll see. You know, let's like do that. Oh wait, no, I can make them full spikes because of the nature of it actually. Wait, could I just have the same spikes as before? No, because of the sync. So, could be relatively similar though. Yeah. All right. Bum, 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 bum. Okay. Oh, yeah, wait, this is kind of fire. Wait, hold up. Bum, 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 bum. Yo, wait, this is gas. Wait. This needs to be lined up properly. There we go. Yeah. Boom, bum, 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 bum. Do the same here. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. And I can make this an actual jump now, too. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, bum, bum. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Do, do, do. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Maybe I should just keep it a... I don't know, should I just keep it a pad? Nah. You gotta jump. Yeah, because you can go surprisingly far into the spikes. I'ma totally make you jump into this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Dang, I was killing it. I think there's a clanker in the chat? Uh-oh. Who, bro? Is it you? Are you a clanker? I can't be having clankers in my chat, bro. It's me? Wait, this jump is a little too mean. I'm gonna have to nerf that. Actually, instead of doing that, I can move it just a little bit like that. Bum, 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 do, 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 do. Dude, I suck at this wave. Bum, 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 bum. Should I nerf this wave? Be honest, guys. It's kind of hard. I don't know, man. I don't know. What was that one easy extreme you were playing with the wave consistency type thing at the drop? Fexty maybe? Fexty had like, it wasn't wave consistency, but it was just like basically a really hard wave challenge. Alright, let's see how this part plays as a whole now. Yep. Come on, anytime now. Ba-da-bum. Ba-da-da-da-doom. Alright. Just a few clicks, you don't want it to be too easy. Yeah, I'm not sure. Oh, that's scary now. Woo! That's a hard jump. I think that jump is probably too hard. Whoops. Damn. It's hard. Maybe for the lines, making like chord pulls. Oh. Yeah, that's a good idea. Damn. Alright, let's mute this while I try to keep doing this run right here. Nah, dude, I made that jump way too hard. I just gotta get nerfed. I think another half one. Yeah, let's do that. Whoa, is my chat bugged? Or did he just spam that? No, you just spammed that. Bro, don't spam. Come on, bro. Also, I see the clanker, I see the clanker message now. I like don't see it in the YouTube. I don't know. I think my chat was bugged for a second. So, sorry about that. I think it's good now, though. Songday's hype. Yeah, sorry, my chat was like glitching out. Alright. Let's do this. Boom. Alright. Boom. L spammers. Yeah, but don't... Spamming is definitely cringe. If you don't want to be cringe, don't spam. I want to change... I want to make you jump. But it's just... It's not consistent, is it? Okay. There we go. Now we got our structures consistent. It's a hard jump now, though. I might need to move everything in the level down to adjust for that. I think it's fine. Oh, that's brutal now. I might need to unbuff that. Because I want it to be fair. And if I'm doing something over and over again, then it's probably not fair. Bum. Alright. Self-harm. I chew my nails off because I hate nail clippers, but I don't usually bite my nails as like a bad habit. Yeah, no, I'm gonna verify. This is my extreme demon that I'm making. A solo extreme, so I'm gonna verify it. I'm kind of testing out the gameplay balance right now. I think it's pretty good. It's pretty good. Alright. So, for decorating this part, yeah, we haven't really started on that, have we? Except for the visualizer. So, I suppose we get the visualizer effect going. At least. I mean, we have half of it. We just need to... let's find it. First of all... I believe this is the highest it goes. 58? Or 55? Or what? Wait, 53. Oh, wait. 53 is probably it. And then, yeah. 36 through 53. So we're going to need 36. We're going to have to copy this all the way up to 53. So another just like time-consuming little thing. But yeah, I never said hi. Chillax and Errors, welcome to the stream. Imagine dying to a click. Wait, dude, a vaporwave sort of background would be dope. Yeah, I think I want some... Dude, wait. I could totally make the blocks that you land on in this part like little tiny skyscrapers. That'd be awesome. Wait, that'd be so cool. Hold up, guys. Wait. We might be cooking. Oh my. Yeah, and this level could totally be called like Blue City, something along the lines like Blue Skyline, Blue Skyscraper, I don't know. Blue something. For now, I am just gonna call it Blue. Blue City. I'm gonna call it that for now. Bum, 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 bum. Please make it vaporwave. I don't think I'm gonna make it quite vaporwave. Not really what I want to go for. What was I doing again? I need to go to 50 some. I don't even know, bro. 36. It was 36 through 50. $36 through 53. Why do I have a 54? I don't even know. Dude, I'm lost in my own editor, man. Thanks for a low name suggestion. Yeah, dude. Blue High Rise? That's a good one, yeah. Bro, so you guys are helping this level, like, come to life. Oh, there they are. Hey, found you guys. You guys are helping this level, like, come to life. It's awesome. Found my motion. I found my rhythm. There we go. Boom. We got them. All these just make them invisible. Have this all the way over here. Azure is a good one too. Oh, Blue Metropolis would be so good. I don't... Okay, the thing is, Azure sounds nicer, but I kind of, like, since I want to do this RGB series, I, like, am really wanting to, like, specifically have the color name, but I might do Azure if I could, like, think of other ones for the... For, like, green and red. Because if I want to make green and red, like, I know we would have crimson and stuff. What would I do for green? Like, what are alternative names for green? Are there levels? Is there? I know it means blue, but you know, I'm trying to, like, are there alternate names for green? Like, what are alternate names for green? I guess, like, emerald. Emerald would be one of them. Sage? Sage? I thought sage was for blue. Sage is green, huh? It's like a plant. I'm looking it up. Interesting. Probably won't do sage because all I can think of is the Valorant character. I think emerald would be nice though. Azure Metropolis is kind of fire. It's kind of like a lengthy name, but it's kind of gas at the same time. Azure Metropolis. Boom, boom, boom. Ultramarine Metropolis. No. Doing way too much at that point. Mint. Yeah. Mint is very, like, sorry, I lost my train of thought. Mint is very, like, pastel desaturated, which isn't usually something I would do. So I don't see myself making a mint level. Dang, that is hard. I'm probably gonna nerf that a little bit, to be honest. Because I want this to be consistent. I don't know. I definitely want it to be more inputs, though. Man, I don't know what to do. I think... I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna make these on the side 0.80. Very small nerf. Wait, did I move them both? No, they're the same. Okay. So it's not a large nerf, but it's a nerf. Minty Sage. Mint deportation? Bro, what kind of names are you guys coming up with? That didn't... No. Can't have them move down. That made it, like, not work. So let's fix that. Just you. You're really... Oh, yeah, no, I remember. I'm gonna move this whole thing down. That's what I'm gonna do. Just move the whole thing down. There we go. That should be, fine. Why is this also blue? Because it's, a blue level. That's the point. I'm trying to... Vomit Vortex. Oh my god, that's funny. I like that one. I like Vomit Vortex. Trying to make a series of, blue, green, and red levels. What do you guys think? Should I try to make all these levels beginner extreme? Or should I try to make them get, like, progressively harder? With red being the hardest of them. Then none of them will be, like, above Bloodbath difficulty. If I did it that way. You love XP farming. Bro, XP is probably, like, the worst thing they've added to YouTube streams. Like... What's the point, bro? That kind of stinks, doesn't it? Oh, there we go, though. That works. Phew. Alright, alright. And I'm gonna... This is just so ridiculously hard. I'm gonna make that go back to what it was before. This jump right here is kind of absurd. So... I'm gonna... Oh, there's no real easy way to nerf that with how I built it, though. Ah... Make the last one auto. No, I don't want to make it auto because I want more inputs. There's a lack of inputs in this level. This might just be fine. It'll just have a really hard input. Right here. No, because that's going to frustrate people. I might need to make this one auto again, to be honest, but I really don't want to do that. P Pinnacle? Okay, see, like, that feels good already, and you jump into it, but I can't make this jump feel good, and it's just because it's so... You just need to jump earlier, but I... I don't know, man. Yo, my Mario Odyssey music ended, bruh. Actually, it's fine. We're gonna play this a little bit, so... Now those blue orbs are really easy, though. Ah, man. I don't know. I think the only way is I make this go back to like this. And I think I should just take this, do that, and let's also move this down. So it's like all the same. Pink orb instead of a pad. Yeah, that is true. But I think what I'm doing right now will work. Yeah. That works. Dude, that totally works. I just have this like here, like that. And boom, that works. I was going to do that anyways. Probably. So, extend that out to the left just because visually. Dude, that totally works, what I just did. I think we saved it. Still, like, you still need to jump early. Not that early, God. Perfect. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this 0.85. Very specific. Change both of them, 0.85. And copy it over here. Okay, there we go, dude. Woo, there we go. Now it should be good. Boom. Bet Revblade. How about this? You subscribe either way. It's kind of easy though, isn't it? Bro, wait, why is this low-key, like, so easy? I'm not gonna change it though. Ba-bum. I bet. Pyromaniac good for first Insane Demon? I'm not really sure. It's probably good. Typhoon Thunder, Devin, and Kubazoo level swap. That'd be interesting. I mean, Iron Mouse. Add all your supporters to end the level. Dude, yeah, if I get my channel membership stuff, I don't know if I will though, but if I get my channel membership stuff and all that, then I would definitely add, like, I'd definitely add those to the end of the level. I'll probably, like, do that in my videos too. It's all new, I'm not sure still. Okay, anyways, let's work on this. We've got this. Bow. Opacity 0. No, wait. Okay. So what we're going to do... These are going to go visible. Like this. Something like this. I need effect lines, I think. Effect lines. Fire's like 99% done. Dude, let's go, bro. Let's go. Yeah, so we're gonna do that and that. Move it a little more. Perfect. A little more. Trying to make this very, very perfect for some reason. Okay. If I just do a very minuscule movement less, then we're good. And these are going to go invisible. Okay, sorry. Perfect. Okay. So, if I look at this. Yeah, I was very close to the camera, dude. I was locked in. No, I think that's just too slow, though. Dude, I think I'm just gonna forget what I just did, honestly. Just make it not as specific. It really doesn't need to be. Wait, what if it's like it turns up very fast? Right, like this. Very fast. But then the fade out time is like way slower. Like that. What if we try this? I mean, it looks so funny in the editor. Let's just place like 4 of them for now. I need like... something like this. Let's just make this 0. So I can align these easier. Turn off effect lines, because effect lines get really laggy and really weird. Can you get Amber to come back again? Dude, I don't know where... Probably not. She kind of does her own thing. But I would love to. I don't know where she is right now. Probably just downstairs snoozing somewhere. Alright, dude, I'm like locked in for this. Holy crap. Okay, let's test this. Let's see what this looks like. Is this a W or what? I think that's kind of a W. I think this is a W, bro. Also, this is Mario Kart World music right now. Oh yeah. Perfect. Perfect to line up each time. Each time, bro. Perfect. Oh, but these get really close. So I'm gonna move these like down to about here somewhere. I don't know where they're out of the way. Marker music is. Yo, Tick's on, bro. Holy facts, bro. Holy facts. Alright, let's see. Oh, Mike more damages and armor. Hello, okay. Yeah, they do look like that. Oh, I didn't put on Don't Fade, Don't Enter on them. Bro, but this looks sick, though. Oh my god, you know what I could do? Oh, I'm a genius. Wait. Dude, also, I did this, like, pulse thing just to test, but, like, it low-key looks good. So, like, at this point, I'm just keeping them. I'll probably change them away from white, though. Why are they not aligned with the things? They're, like, slightly off. Wait, they, like, progressively get a little more off. You see that? They progressively get less aligned with each other. Oh, it's because it's because the last one was never on grid. That's why. Yo, dude, just finished it. Dude, it's been too long since I've watched that. I really gotta go back to it soon. Just watch it, like, while I'm editing my videos or something. It's just so, like, happy. It's just happy. It feels good. As long as you don't, like, associate with the fan base behind it. Because some of them are a little wacky. Wait. Are we good? I think we're good. Don't need those last two. Forgetting something. I feel like I'm forgetting something. I'm trying to remember. Oh, yeah, I remembered. Yeah, first of all. Move this, like, up here. Maybe not that high. Okay, there we go. So 7 and 8. Oh, we don't need this. 7, 8, 9, and 10. And we're going to give this Don't Fade, Don't Enter. And then we're going to... Actually, no, this should all be 58. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. 58. Area tint. Guys, you were begging for more area tint in the level. Here we go. More area tint is here. I hope you guys are happy. Because we're doing it. We are doing this. Area tint. 58. It's going to be from top to bottom. This one. This. Yeah. Length, like 80, 100, maybe should be good. I don't know. HSV plus. Let's see if this works. I have no idea if what I just did is going to work. Not seeing anything. Not seeing anything, but it's not a lost cause. Probably messed something up. It's 58. There's no center. That would be why. That would be why. Bottom center. Now let's see it. Oh yeah, look at that. We got color on it. Awesome. Not exactly what I wanted though. I think if I do this one instead, this should work. Oh yes! Look at that! The tint. But it's a little too normal. Guys, what if we just go all out with it? I mean, like, hold up. Like, that's kind of fire, right? Like, is this not extremely gas? Hold up. It's still pulsing white. I thought I changed that. I guess I didn't. I just selected them and then unselected them. Let's fix that. Yep. Select all these. Alright, there we go. So instead of white, let's do, you know, a nice blue pulse. Yeah. Alright. On making good extreme demon layouts. Dude, it took me so many years to get, like, decent. Honestly. Like, you just gotta keep building them and get feedback. Please get feedback. That is how you improve. Alright. This is fire. Let's play this from the start. See what this looks like. Bro, that's coming together, bro. Whoops. Oh, that's why. I was wondering why it felt like this background was going away, but it's because I think we're going too low. Hold on. Okay, what are these? 26 and probably, 26 and 33. Where are the move triggers? I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna see if that... It's like seeing the Mona Lisa be painted. Awesome. Underrated YouTuber. Dude, Misty Touchstone, I appreciate you so much for that very kind message. I will be coming out with a new video somewhat soon, so be on the lookout for that. Hopefully that one is also just as much as a banger to people. Yeah, I think you just don't really... New video? Oh, yeah. Cycles X. You know this done by day 7? No. You guys will see... I can't say anything, but you guys will see why I wanted this done in a week. It wasn't ever really supposed to be, like, a super challenge. I wasn't very, like... I wasn't invested in the challenge aspect. I just wanted to make a level in around a week. So me going over, I'm not, like, gonna be super upset about that. But you guys will see why. You guys will see why. Everything will make sense. Believe it. Believe me. I want him to become more visible when you enter here. This kind of starts to become harder to see. Correct, this is the one that's normally 0.25. This stuff is normally 0.60. So, somewhere in between that, let's do 35? Make a tutorial. Dude, so many people ask me to that I probably will. Because there seems to be a demand for it. And you guys really want to learn how to build from me. Which is awesome. So I probably will end up doing something like that. Bum, bum. It's like Special Week's more polished cousin. Boom. Alright. We made really good progress. I'm happy with it. I obviously am behind schedule. I wanted to do like a part per day. Like I wanted that part all yesterday, this part all today. Not quite happening, but we have good progress. I'm happy with what I did today. I'm going to end the stream. I've already been live for 2.5 hours, so very gifted. Dude, you guys are so nice. I appreciate it, seriously. I probably will end up doing some sort of tutorial and guide on level building and stuff. Yo, good luck, Jack's attack. No, don't go, bro. I'm sorry. I've got food to eat. I've got tummies to fill, you know? I've got families to feed. So, I will see you guys later. Thank you, everybody, for stopping by. I appreciate you. I appreciate all the kind messages. Goodbye.